example, so Terry Williams is going to borrow 4,000 ringgit Malaysia at 7.5 interest. What is the simple amount of the loan after 3 years? So now, question asks you to find simple amount. Okay, so Terry William meminjam ataupun bercadang untuk meminjam RM4,000 pada kadar interest 7.5%. So soalan tanya, berapakah jumlah simple amount selepas 3 tahun? Okay, so we have learned before, the formula to find simple amount S is equal to P times with 1 plus RT. So, kena senaraikan maklumat yang awak ada dekat dalam soalan. The first maklumat yang awak ada dalam soalan is your capital or your principal. Duit muka ataupun duit permulaan pada pinjaman ini iaitu RM4,000. So, kita list down kat sini. Okay, so we have our P, our principal as 4,000. Okay, then you have here the interest rate which is 7.5%, and you know 7.5% can be written as 7.5 over 100. So you need to find what is 7.5 over 100. So 7.5 over 100 is 0.075. You can calculate it by using calculator. So this one is the interest rate which is R. Okay, so we put R, our R is equal to 0.075. Okay, and then what else you have in your question is the term, okay, which is the loan will be for 3 years. Okay, so this one is the T, your time, and you need to remember your time must be in years. Okay, so now we have already in years, therefore your T, your time is equal to 3. Okay, so now you have your P, you have your R, and you have your T. It's easy for you to calculate what is your simple amount S. So S is equal to, so masukkan je kat dalam formula. P awak adalah 4,000, so 4,000 times with 1 plus with R times T. So your R is 0.07 times with 3. So you can calculate by using calculator. Okay, so you need to settle in the bracket first. 1 plus with 0.05 times 3. Then you time it with 400. You will get S is equal to 4,900. Okay, so this one is the simple amount. What is the meaning by simple amount, guys? Simple amount is the value of principal plus with your interest. Okay, so now you can see that your principal is 4,000. So how much is your interest? Your interest here is 900, because after 3 years you need to pay back to the bank 4,900. Okay, you hanya pinjam 4,000, so the rest RM900 ini adalah nilai in interest. Okay, so let's see another example here. So Amalina will invest. So Amalina akan melabur sebanyak RM3,000 pada kadar interest 8% selama 5 tahun. So question asks you, what is the simple amount? Okay, simple amount means that after 5 years, how much bank will pay you back? Because you invest in bank, then after 5 years, bank akan bayar balik kat you. So the persoalan is, berapa banyak bank akan bayar balik? Okay, so simple amount is nilai yang you laburkan, which is principal plus with the interest. So now kita nak collect semua maklumat yang kita ada kat dalam soalan. Okay, the first information that you have here is 3,000, where 3,000 is your principal. Okay, your 3,000 is your principal. So let's note it here. P is equal to 3,000. Okay, next you have here the information which is your interest rate is 8%. You know 8% means that you have 8 over 100. Okay, so you can calculate by using calculator. 8 over 100 is actually 0.08. Okay, means that your interest rate or R is equal to 0.08. Okay, and you are given that your times or your term is for 5 years. So your T is equal to 5. So when we have all information here. There is no problem for us to find what is our simple amount. We just need to put it inside the formula. Okay, you know that the formula of simple amount S is equal to P times with 1 plus R times T. Okay, so your P is 3000 there, times with 1 plus 0.08 times with 5. Okay, so you need to settle inside the bracket first. Okay, then you times with 3000. What you will get for your simple amount is actually 4200. So this is the simple amount. Okay, so simple amount ni adalah you melabur RM3,000 ke dalam bank. So selepas 5 tahun, duit you daripada RM3,000 akan jadi RM4,200 kerana duit ini telah ditambah dengan berapa jumlah interest yang bank bagi dekat you. Sebab you bagi dia pinjam duit. Okay, so that one is the concept of interest, and you need to know and understand what is simple amount is defined.